Are you looking for a way to cultivate a radiant mindset that brings joy and positivity into your life? Look no further than the timeless wisdom found in Philippians 4 verse 8. This powerful verse offers a joyful guide to transforming your thoughts and embracing a radiant way of living. By incorporating the principles outlined in this verse into your daily life, you can unlock a mindset that is filled with joy, gratitude, and optimism. Let's dive into the joyful journey of embracing Philippians 4 verse 8 for a radiant mindset. Unlocking a radiant mindset, embracing Philippians 4 verse 8 with joyful intention. When we take a closer look at Philippians 4 verse 8, we discover a profound message that can revolutionize our mindset. It says, "Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things." These words act as a guiding light, showing us the path to a radiant mindset. To unlock a radiant mindset, it requires embracing the intention behind Philippians 4 verse 8. It encourages us to shift our focus away from negativity, doubt, and worry and instead direct our thoughts towards what is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable, excellent, and praiseworthy. By consciously choosing to dwell on these positive aspects of life, we train our minds to see the beauty and goodness that surrounds us. This intentional shift in thinking allows joy and gratitude to flourish, creating a radiant mindset that permeates every aspect of our lives. Transforming your thoughts, the joyful guide to radiant living in Philippians 4 verse 8. Every thought we entertain has the power to shape our reality. By following the joyful guide laid out in Philippians 4 verse 8, we can transform our thoughts and cultivate a radiant way of living. Let's break down the key elements of this verse and see how they can revolutionize our mindset. True, seek the truth in all aspects of life, whether it's in our relationships, work, or personal growth. Embracing authenticity and honesty allows us to build a solid foundation for a radiant mindset. Noble and right, embrace high moral standards and choose righteousness in our actions. Upholding integrity and justice not only benefits ourselves, but also radiates positivity to those around us. Pure and lovely, purify our thoughts by focusing on what is pure and lovely in the world. Appreciate the beauty in nature, art, and the kindness of others. This shift in perspective allows us to find joy in even the smallest of things. Admirable, excellent, and praiseworthy, recognize and celebrate the achievements and positive qualities of others. By practicing admiration and offering praise, we create an atmosphere of encouragement and support, fostering a radiant mindset for ourselves and those around us. By consciously applying these principles to our thoughts, we can transform our mindset and experience the joy and radiance that Philippians 4 verse 8 offers. Embracing Philippians 4 verse 8 with joyful intention is the key to unlocking a radiant mindset. As we actively choose to focus on what is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable, excellent, and praiseworthy, we create a powerful shift in our thoughts and perspective. This shift allows us to see the beauty in the world, appreciate the goodness in others, and cultivate a mindset that is filled with joy and gratitude. So, let's embark on this joyful journey and embrace Philippians 4 verse 8 for a radiant mindset that radiates positivity and happiness into every aspect of our lives.